Electric bikes aren't just about eco-rides anymore. They're breaking speed limits and redefining what power on two wheels means. From street-legal rockets to off-road monsters, today's e-bikes deliver jaw-dropping torque, insane acceleration, and mind-blowing top speeds that'll leave gas bikes jealous. In this video, we're counting down 8 of the fastest electric bikes that push boundaries, defy expectations, and prove that the future of speed is fully electric. Buckle up. Things are about to get fast. Delfast Top 3.0i. This electric beast redefines what long-range performance truly means. Powered by a massive 72-volt, 47Ah lithium-ion battery, it can stretch up to an unbelievable 320 kilometers on a single charge under ideal conditions, and around 180 to 200 kilometers in real-world riding. Its dual-mode motor lets you switch between a street-legal 750-watt setup for calm cruising and an unleashed 5,000-watt peak mode that rockets the bike up to 80 kilometers per hour. Built tough at 70 kilograms, it features a KKE front fork, D&M rear shock, and Moto-style 2.5 R19 all-terrain tires that keep it stable even at high speeds. The hydraulic disc brakes with 203mm rotors ensure confident stopping power, while the Gates carbon drive belt adds a smooth, low-maintenance touch. Tech lovers will enjoy built-in GPS, 4G connectivity, a TFT display, and anti-theft protection, all for around $6,999. The Delfast Top 3.0i is the perfect mix of range, power, and cutting-edge design. Vector Vortex. This off-road powerhouse isn't just an electric bike, it's a full-blown adrenaline machine. With a jaw-dropping 10,000 watts of peak power from its 72-volt battery system and 3.8 kilowatt-hours pack, the Vortex rockets past most e-bikes with ease, hitting speeds beyond 80 kilometers per hour. The instant torque is insane, enough to shred tires and climb brutal hills without hesitation. Despite weighing 69 kilograms, every gram feels justified with premium components like a 200mm front and 220mm rear suspension setup, huge 203mm 4-piston brakes, and a battle-ready frame that's built to take punishment. It delivers over 200 kilometers of range in eco mode, though that drops when you go full throttle through rough terrain. Priced around $5,999, the Vector Vortex isn't made for the faint-hearted. It's designed for riders who crave raw power, insane torque, and the thrill of taming one of the wildest e-bikes ever built. Juiced Bike's Hyperscorpion. This electric moped-style powerhouse blurs the line between a bike and a motorcycle. Packing a 1,000-watt Beifang retro blade rear hub motor that peaks even higher, it delivers strong acceleration and a top speed of over 30 miles per hour in its off-road mode. Its 52 19.2-hour battery gives you an impressive 70-plus miles of range when riding smart with pedal assist. At 46 kilograms, it's definitely not light, but that weight brings stability and confidence at higher speeds. The Hyperscorpion rolls on fat tires, giving it a bold, road-gripping stance that's perfect for both city cruising and adventurous rides. It's available in multiple riding modes, keeping things legal or letting loose depending on where you ride. With prices ranging from $2,499 to $3,199 and occasional deals under $1,900, it's a serious value for the performance. The juiced Hyperscorpion is built for riders who want attitude, range, and thrill, all in one electrified package. Aerial Rider Grizzly. This dual-motor beast is built for riders who crave wild power and head-turning style. With two 1,000-watt hub motors delivering up to 3,700 watts peak, the Grizzly doesn't hold back. It launches forward with the kind of torque that makes every ride feel like an adventure. Its dual 52-volt battery setup combines for around 1,820 watt-hours of capacity, giving a solid 75-mile range under ideal conditions. Unlock its potential, and you're looking at speeds up to 36 miles per hour, fast enough to blur the line between e-bike and electric moped. The full suspension frame, chunky 20x4-inch fat tires, and hydraulic disc brakes ensure control and comfort even on rough terrain. Sure, it weighs over 100 pounds, but that heft brings stability and a commanding presence on the road. Priced around $3,300, the Aerial Rider Grizzly isn't your average commuter. It's a thrill-packed powerhouse built for those who like their rides bold, fast, and unforgettable. L'Equipe M5. This electric ride proves you don't need to spend a fortune to feel serious power on two wheels. With its 48-volt 1000-watt hub motor that can peak between 1500 watts and 2000 watts, the M5 delivers explosive torque of up to 120 newton-meters and speeds hitting 32 to 37.5 miles per hour, depending on the variant. The removable 48-volt 15Ah battery gives around 60 miles of pedal assist range, though using throttle only will drain it faster. Its full suspension system and 20x4-inch fat tires make for a smooth, confident ride across any surface, while the sturdy aluminum frame keeps everything rock solid. Starting at just $1,199 and going up to around $1,700 for dual battery or max versions, it's a deal that feels almost too good for the performance it packs. Sure, it's on the heavier side and not always street legal everywhere, but the Luckeep M5 delivers pure fun, raw speed, and unbeatable value for those chasing power on a budget. Stealth B52. This e-bike doesn't just ride, it roars. Designed for riders who crave power and adrenaline, the B52 hits speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour, around 50 miles per hour, thanks to its 6.2 kilowatt peak power hub motor. It's powered by a 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers roughly 60 to 70 kilometers of range in mixed riding, though full throttle blasts will drain it faster, and you'll want to go full throttle, because this machine feels electric in every sense. Its suspension setup means business, with 180 millimeters of front travel and 200 millimeters at the rear, perfectly matched with huge 250 millimeter hydraulic disc brakes for razor-sharp control. Weighing in heavy and priced around $12,800, the Stealth B52 isn't for the faint-hearted or light-walleted. It's for those who want to own the road, the trail, and everything in between. It's raw, it's aggressive, and it turns every ride into an unforgettable burst of electric rebellion. Cyclone Big Boy. This monster of an e-bike takes electric performance to the extreme. Packing a mind-blowing 23 kilowatt motor that pumps out a staggering 600 newton-meters of torque, it's less of a bicycle and more of a lightning bolt on two wheels. Running on a 72 to 96 volt system with a 200-watt controller, the Big Boy delivers explosive acceleration and top speeds deep into motorcycle territory, depending on setup and tuning. You can choose between a number 410 sprocket drive or a Gates carbon belt drive for unmatched durability and smoother power delivery. Priced around $5,800 with free shipping, it's marketed as Cyclone's fastest electric dirt bike, and it lives up to the hype. This thing isn't for casual riders. It's for those who crave raw force, ground-shaking torque, and the rush of pure, unfiltered speed. The Cyclone Big Boy doesn't just move. It dominates every stretch of dirt, road, and adrenaline. High Power Cycles Revolution XX. This machine isn't just an e-bike. It's pure insanity on two wheels. With only 20 units ever built and a $20,000 price tag, it's one of the rarest and most extreme creations from HPC. At its heart sits a 10,000-watt Folk sine wave controller paired with a custom high RPM motor that pushes the Revolution XX past 70 miles per hour. And during real-world tests, it hit a blistering 74 miles per hour, GPS confirmed. The suspension setup is equally wild, featuring a DVO Onyx DC1 fork with 203mm of travel and a DVO Jade coil rear shock tuned to each rider for unmatched stability. Braking comes from powerful Magura MT7E brakes with massive 220mm MDRP rotors, while the 24x3.0-inch moped-style tires keep this beast firmly grounded. Its Sony VTC6 battery pack with a 150-watt BMS delivers up to 100 miles of range under perfect conditions. The Revolution XX isn't just transportation, it's a high-voltage statement of power, rarity, and raw, unstoppable speed.